Hello, today I will show you top 25 things to do in Essen, Germany. So let's start with the number 1, Red Dot Design Museum. Number 2, Kettwig Historical District. Number 3, Ruhr Museum. Number 4, Colosseum Theatre, Essen. Number 5, Philharmonie, Essen. Number 6, Museum Folkwang. Number 7, Essen Cathedral Treasury. Number 8, Schloss Berbeck. Number 9, Villa Hügel. Number 10, Glockenspiel. Number 11, Zollverein Coal Mine Industrial Complex. Number 12, Margaretenhof. Number 13, Essen Minster. Number 14, Werder Old Town. Number 15, Basilica of Ludgerus. Number 16, Old Synagogue. Number 17, Baldeneysee. Number 18, Grugapark. Number 19, Karl. Number 20, Anto Theatre. Number 21, Rathaus. Number 22, Limbecker Platz. Number 23, Marktkisch. Number 24, International Christmas Market. And the last one, number 25, Essener Lichtwochen.